Hi everyone, Ken again from Orion Telescopes and Binoculars, and here I am showing you our solar system, moon, and meteor poster kit. We've bundled our three really nice posters together in one kit. They look great on anybody's walls, and they show you a lot of detail about what the subject matter is. The first one, that's probably my favorite, the solar system. It gives you a scale idea of how large the inner planets are compared to each other, how large the outer planets are, and then interesting facts about each planet. Below the moon, we have a nice high resolution detail image from NASA, and then images of different features, craters, mountain ranges, valleys, and again, more detail on the moon itself and what you can see on it. And then finally on the side here, the meteor showers. This is a long exposure photograph showing a bunch of meteors coming out of the radiant point, so you can see where the meteor shower gets its name from because it comes out of that one constellation. And then again, same thing, interesting facts and tidbits about meteors and how to observe them and what you can see. Thank you very much. Clear skies.